Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 can't connect to this network error. First method is click search icon, type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset.log. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click More Network Adapter Options. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically. Check Obtain DNS server address automatically. Disable and then enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Fourth method, click Search icon, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. If same error still exists, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device. Restart system. Fifth method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Author Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.